Although VLOOKUP typically performs one-dimensional lookup, but with a little hack, we can use it to do two-dimensional lookups. Let's see how. VLOOKUP function can be used to look for a value in one particular column and return the corresponding value from another column. For instance, in this table, we have a mark sheet of a few students which carries their scores across four subjects. So here, VLOOKUP can be used to look for a value in this column, that is the student name column, let's say John, and return its corresponding value from this column, which is his score in science. So John's score in science is 61, which is what this function will fetch. Let's apply the function once to understand this better. Type equal to VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value. So lookup value is the name of the student we are trying to find the score for, that is John. Table array, which is the lookup range, that is cell B4 through F14. Column index number is the column that has the value to return, that is the fourth column from the left within the selected data table. So column index number is 4 and range lookup, which tells Excel if an approximate or an exact match is required. We type in false or 0 as we need an exact match. So this returns John's score in science, which is 61. I hope you understood why is this a one-dimensional lookup. It's because it can look for the value corresponding to any student, but only in one column, that is their score in one subject. And that's because while the lookup value is variable and can be any student across the first column, but the subject for which the score will be fetched is static, as the column index number is fixed, that is column 4 in this case. Let's take an example here. Try changing the name of the student. Let's say change it to Rahul. So it will automatically return Rahul's score in science. And this way we can fetch it for any of the students. However, it cannot search the score dynamically across any of the subjects. Let's change the subject to say history. Doesn't update the score because it can search in rows but not in columns at the same time. In cases where we want to fetch the score of any student in any subject dynamically, we'll need a two-dimensional lookup or a two-way lookup. This is considered a two-dimensional lookup because we are asking Excel to look down through the rows to find the correct student and then right through the columns to find the correct subject. Although VLOOKUP typically performs one-dimensional lookup, but with a little hack, we can use it to do two-dimensional lookups. Let's see how. As discussed, the VLOOKUP function has four arguments, and our little hack involves the third argument, that is the column index number. Let's take a quick look at the arguments. Type in equal VLOOKUP, where lookup value is the name of the student we are trying to find, that is John. Table array is the lookup range, that is cell B4 through F14. Column index number is the column that has the value to return, that is fourth column from the left within the selected data table. So column index number is 4 and range lookup, we type in 0 as we need an exact match. Typically, the column index number argument is expressed as an integer value, 4 here for the fourth column. However, if we use a function to determine the column number instead, then VLOOKUP is able to look down for a matching student and right for a matching subject. The function we need here is match. So let's look at what the match function does. The match function returns the relative position of an item. It has three arguments. Type equal match, where lookup value is the value we are trying to find, which is science. Lookup array is the lookup range, which is B4 through F4. And match type will be 0 for exact match. So we get the position of the subject science, that is column 4. The idea of our little hack is to use the match function to tell the VLOOKUP function which column stores the scores for the specified subjects. So rather than entering an integer for the third VLOOKUP argument, we'll use the match function instead. Let's copy the match function arguments and replace it here. That is, replace 4 with the match function, as it's ideally supposed to deliver the integer 4 as per the specified condition. So here's the result. Now let's rewrite the entire formula from scratch. Equal VLOOKUP, where lookup value is the student in cell I7. Table array is B4 through F14. That is the scores table. In column index number, we type match. Lookup value is the subject in cell J7. Lookup array is the range, which is B4 through F4, which returns the column number of the specified subject. Then type 0 for exact match and then 0 again for exact match for VLOOKUP. There you go. Now as we change the student and subject values, our hacked VLOOKUP function will retrieve the correct score from the table. And that is a two-dimensional lookup with VLOOKUP and match functions. And this is probably the easiest, or at least the shortest way of returning values in two search dimensions. Hope you find this useful, and if yes, please do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.